Hey there, I'm Kaya from Snorkel Planet. Today, I want to share my top 8 snorkel locations on the Hawaiian island Oahu. I'll cover various beaches, coves, and even a hidden submerged gem called Turtle Canyon. My first pick, and definitely one of my favorites, is Hanauma Bay. We actually have a separate video about this bay on our channel because Hanauma Bay is our absolute favorite when it comes to a diverse marine life. The beach is situated on the southeast of the island and offers more than 400 fish species to observe. Back in 1967, this bay became a protected marine life conservation area. Only 3,000 people are allowed to visit per day. The bay is protected by a coral reef with clear and calm water. As you can see from the picture, sandy entrances allow for easy access. The inner reef is pretty shallow, whilst the outer reef is suited for more advanced snorkelers. Sea turtles enjoy this bay and are very common to observe. Furthermore, you'll probably see triggerfish, tang, surgeonfish, moray eels, butterflyfish, parrotfish, goatfish, and many more. Corals include lobe, blue rice, and cauliflower. My second pick is Electric Beach. Electric Beach is located on the west of Oahu. I know the name of this spot could raise some eyebrows, but don't worry. The thing is this: a nearby power plant needs seawater for cooling purposes, after which a warm water stream is released back into the ocean. So yes, if you like warm water, this could work. In my opinion, Electric Beach is meant for advanced snorkelers. Its entry can be tricky because of waves and currents, especially in winter. You always need to check weather conditions because there's a chance that snorkeling is not allowed. If weather conditions are calm, and if you're able to snorkel within the warm water stream, this is definitely a fantastic experience. You get to observe many typical Hawaiian reef fish, like butterflyfish, triggerfish, sergeant majorfish, Moorish idol, and more. Maybe you'll even come across a sea turtle or spinner dolphin. Corals include cauliflower, rice, and large lobe. My third pick is Shark's Cove. Shark's Cove can be found in the north of Oahu. Even though sharks are not its main attraction, there's a small chance to observe a white-tip reef shark. According to some locals, the cove looks like a shark from an aerial view, which is one explanation for its name. The area is pretty rocky, with a limited amount of sand. Wearing water shoes and other protective gear is definitely my advice. One big advantage, though, is its shallow water. Stay within the cove, and you'll be able to observe triggerfish, butterflyfish, Moorish idol, trumpetfish, parrotfish, and maybe even an octopus. Green sea turtles enjoy the cove as well. Coral, on the other hand, is limited. Even though this is a cove, weather conditions may not allow for snorkeling. Currents can be strong, especially from October until April. Summertime is usually much better. My fourth pick is called Three Tables. Three Tables is located in the north of the island. You'll find 3 coral reefs near the beach, which look like tables whenever the tide is low. Just like Shark's Cove, snorkeling in this location is often only possible on a calm, sunny day. The sandy beach provides easy access to the water. Just be aware that rocks cover the ocean floor for the most part, so be careful and protect your feet. With an average depth of about 10 feet, observing the marine life is pretty easy. You don't need to swim out far, even though advanced snorkelers could explore the tables. Fortunately, there's enough to see near the shore. Sea turtles enjoy this area quite a bit. You'll probably see butterflyfish, goatfish, parrotfish, damselfish, Moorish idol, triggerfish, wrasse, and more. You'll also find cauliflower, rice, and lobe coral. My fifth pick is Turtle Canyon. Turtle Canyon is located in the southeast of Oahu, near Waikiki. This location is different from all the others that I cover in this video because it's not attached to the mainland. Turtle Canyon is a submerged reef, about 15 minutes out by boat. If you love turtles, you'll love this snorkel spot. Turtles are attracted to this reef because it provides their favorite foods: algae, seagrass, sponges, and invertebrates. Once you snorkel, you'll soon notice a good amount of smaller wrasse. These fish eat algae and parasites that live on the shells of the turtles. People often call it a cleaning station for these turtles. The water is pretty warm too. Most days allow for clear water, especially in summertime. You do need to join a catamaran tour with an instructor. They know exactly where snorkeling is best. Hawaiian green sea turtles can grow up to about 4 feet in length, but you'll probably find a few smaller ones as well. Make sure to keep your distance. My 6th pick is Waikiki. Just like Turtle Canyon, Waikiki is also located in the southeast of the island. Waikiki Beach consists of several combined beaches, which add up to about 2 miles in length. There's a lot of tourism and nightlife going on in Waikiki, so beaches are usually crowded. In my opinion, snorkeling is best at Queen's Beach because of its diverse marine life. Fishing is not allowed here, which keeps the reefs much healthier. Visiting Waikiki is more than just a snorkeling adventure. You could hike Diamond Head, watch the Kuhio Beach Hula Show, enjoy the fireworks, visit the aquarium, or simply go shopping. My 7th pick is Ko Olina. Ko Olina is located in the southwest of Oahu and consists of 4 man-made lagoons. Because of its shallow water and rock formations, various fish species can be observed by both beginner and advanced snorkelers. The 4 lagoons are pretty much the same, even though one could be more crowded than the other. There's a chance to observe a sea turtle. Common fish species include butterflyfish, cornetfish, Moorish idol, goatfish, and wrasse. The amount of coral is quite limited, but includes cauliflower. I consider this location to be more of a family-friendly resort town. Advanced snorkelers might not enjoy it too much, whilst beginners could definitely have a fun experience on a calm and sunny day. My final pick is Kulima Cove. This is another snorkel spot in the north of the island. Kulima Cove is also known as Turtle Bay, which means there's a pretty good chance to observe some green sea turtles. Even though this cove is situated up north, snorkeling is often possible because of its rocky wall, which breaks the waves from the ocean. Of course, weather conditions must be favorable for snorkeling. The marine life is limited, and the coral isn't exactly great. However, this could be a perfect spot for a family day because snorkeling is very beginner-friendly. Facilities are great too because of the adjacent resort. We cover all of these Oahu beaches more in depth on our website. You'll find some links in the description of this video or simply visit us at snorkelplanet.com.